See, in last 2 weeks, definitely we are seeing a rise in the cases of COVID in kids. And surprisingly, this time, adults are not that symptomatic compared to the kids. But in kids, this time the symptoms are very much severe, like kids are coming with the high grade fever up to 103, 104. Kids who are older age, like beyond the age of 6 years and up, they are also complaining of severe body ache and headache. But fortunately, at the same time, they are getting better in 2 to 3 days.
As COVID 19 cases in India are surging on a daily basis, hospitals are gearing up to handle them. Several studies are claiming that Omicron variant could be up to 3 times more infectious than Delta and children being more vulnerable to infection. The situation in the United States, where COVID hospitalization rate for kids touched 58%, is a testimony. This has become a worrying trend among the parents, as they are clueless about the impact of the new variant among kids. However, health experts say that though the cases are increasing, the patients are recovering in 2 or 3 days.
Definitely, we are seeing a rise in the cases of COVID in kids. And surprisingly, this time, adults are not that symptomatic compared to the kids, because when the kids comes to the clinic, or if it is a teleconsultation, we are talking over the phone. So we often ask the history of exposure. Okay. So adult, they are just giving some mild symptoms of nose block or sore throat, mild, very mild, which can be ignored as well. But in kids, this time the symptoms are very much severe, like kids are coming with the high grade fever up to 103, 104. And kids who are older age, like beyond the age of 6 years and up, they are also complaining of severe body ache and headache. And on getting tested, most of the kids, you can say like almost every kids with all these virus symptoms these days in last 2 weeks, they are coming positive for the COVID-19 RT-PCR. But fortunately, at the same time, they are getting better in 2 to 3 days.
The doctors believe that calling Omicron lethal for kids is not right at this point of time.
Lethal is not the right term actually. It is
Okay.
more symptomatic. The kids are becoming more symptomatic compared to the other adult members in the family. Okay, this time what we are seeing, it is not lethal. Till now, it is very difficult to say at this moment also, because it's been only 10 days, 10 to 14 days. We have
Okay.
seen the surge in the, like, I remember like on 25th of December, like we had somewhere around 50 to 80 cases in Delhi, but now it is touching 25,000 cases per day in Delhi. Okay, so the surge is there in the last 10, 14 days. Till now, it is very difficult to say what the future complications or the long-term complication is going to happen in those who have got infected. But lethal is not the right term. Lethal is like it is fatal. No, it is not fatal right now. It's very difficult to say. Mortality is not that high. Even morbidity till now, we have not noticed much. It is getting cured, like it is kids are becoming normal in like 2 to 3 days after the symptomatic treatment. So lethal is not the correct word.
Meanwhile, India has vaccinated over 2 crore teenagers with the first dose of COVID vaccine in last 1 week.